What do you think about the study portal or the class environment, things like that?
I like joining the class actually because I like that there's an interaction during the class. I think that's important. The good thing is about there's other people who also you can hear some feedback. I think that's important also for me. So it's more
Mhm.
like motivating you to do the
Nice.
task. I just like doing your class every day, every week. I'm always looking forward to it.
What do you think the biggest change is for you, like the differences?
The confidence of you're giving us the time and the pressure of how to handle it. The time pressure is one of the best thing that is what we're doing in the class. Maybe if you compare it from first week, it's like I'm struggling. Yeah, there's a big difference now that I'm more aware of it and I'm being at ease during the class, but I'm more at ease with you because I get to know more of how you deal with the with your clients or with your students. So I think I'm happy with it.